think I'm also supposed to be in the thing.
Yes.
मैं आगे निकल जाती हूँ.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Shit.
आके
आपके
mushroom.
ऑयस्टर्स का सॉस बहुत ही स्लाइमी है, लेकिन ऑमलेट एकदम कुरकुरा है.
I love it.
So the beauty in combining these simple ingredients shines.
Perfectly cooked chicken. White from inside.
Also, I must say the quality of the meat here is outstanding.
Outstanding.
यहाँ का आम 12 महीने में मिलता है.
Sweet sticky rice which जो थोड़ा सा ऐसे pudding वाला flavor दे रहा है.
And that moong dal is such an amazing touch.
And sticky rice थोड़ा सा salted है, which is adding the fun of to the dish.
आज हम बैंकॉक एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं गाइडेड बाय द मिशेलिन स्टार.
Yes, और ये जो Michelin star restaurants है, these are being recommended by our travel partner Tripoli.
Opposite?
Yes.
Okay.
Cross the road and go where?
There. She's saying that's the one.
So I've had the mussel omelette pehle in Chiang Mai.
Why is mussel and omelette so?
You will find out now.
But you say why you?
So because it's crispy as F, so I video called Behana and I told her I had mussel omelette. So she's like, Papa, mussels are fine, omelets are fine, but you have to draw the line somewhere.
Why?
But today I will show her baap hota hai.
Yeah, I'm excited
So-
about omelette because I've never eaten that combination.
Ah.
I've never eaten omelette with any seafood combination.
Hmm.
All other meats are okay, but seafood is me.
And this is the most famous thing in Thailand. 7-Eleven. Pramod, idhar jana hai.
Mumbai mein, Kali Miri is so boring. You see in Thailand, there's a hot pink cat.
Hari pili, hot pink. We're in a bit of a market where you are, where you get fruits, rice, candles.
Cricket के stump के जितना candle.
Incense sticks. Oh, this is for the, yeah, for the shrine. Oh, like Kali Mata.
And Ganesh.
And some other goddess or god, I don't know. What?
I think I'm also supposed to be in the thing.
Yes.
मैं आगे निकल जाती हूँ. तो मैं भूल.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Shit.
Aake
आपके
mushrooms.
mushroom.
And sauces.
आपका मुंह.
See, I told you it's moong. We're just moving around in circles now. I'm very hungry.
Who thinks you have to wait? Found it. We found it.
Found it. Is it acting for the camera or we actually found it?
No, we actually found it. I never act for the camera. What are you talking about?
एक कोलाबा कॉस्फी टाइप लग रहा है ये. Oh, the broth is smelling so good. It's just instigating my hunger and getting me a little hungry.
मसल ऑमलेट की जगह आ ही नहीं रही है.
So we finally found the place. It's called Nai Mong Hoi Thod. Thod. And just to show you that we were not bluffing about the Michelin, it's got the Michelin star in 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 22. Yeah.
Crispy oysters omelette.
Crispy oyster omelette.
Soft oysters omelette.
Crispy.
Fried oysters with just sauce. Okay, so only these two are the omelets. Right?
Yeah, so we are having this one.
Okay.
And I will have this one as well.
Just the oysters?
Yeah.
ठीक है. So we're gonna do the crispy oyster omelette And just fried oysters with oyster sauce because Mohit has a love for oyster. We will have one. This one?
Small.
Small.
Sit
Here?
Yes, sit there. So the crispy oyster omelette and the oysters are here. हम आए थे crispy oyster omelette खाने को, but because there was oyster on the menu, I am just being greedy.
हम एक्चुअली मसल ऑमलेट खाने आए थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर ऑयस्टर ऑमलेट है।
Oyster omelette
मुझे
ही है।
लगता है शायद यहाँ पर they are just interchangeably used. All the mussels and oysters
Oh my
are
God.
different. Okay, Mohit is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, here goes the omelette with the oyster.
Too good.
ऑयस्टर्स का सॉस बहुत ही स्लाइमी है, लेकिन ऑमलेट एकदम कुरकुरा है।
I love it. Fresh oysters, crispy omelette, and
Spring onion, that's
spring onions,
it. And here there are some
bean sprouts. 2023 में इसको लास्ट मिशेलिन स्टार मिला था, पता नहीं क्यों। आई थिंक उसे कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए मिशेलिन स्टार मिलना। मैं मिशेलिन का गाइड जज होता तो मैं तो दे देता।
बहुत छोटी सी जगह है। गूगल मैप्स पे आपको शायद ऑपोजिट पे
हाँ।
आ देंगे। You need to cross the road. If you don't have the language, you might have to just show pictures and find your way. I'm finding this a little bland, so I need this chili sauce.
हाँ, you do. I am loving it the way it is. I am loving it with the chili sauce. I love it.
I think it's okay.
That's why I said I want to be the Michelin judge, not both of us. Deva, I'll tell you what.
It's just an acquired taste, I think.
I'll tell you what. Even if it's not worth it, or even if you don't like the taste, अपने बच्चों को बता सकते हैं ना हमने चप्पे चप्पे से खाना खाया और पानी पिया है. It's a good story to tell. The point of the Michelin guidebook was for, I'm assuming, for truck drivers
Yeah, I think
on the highway. Yeah.
meant to be fancy or fine dine or very expensive places. It was supposed to be places that you can find en route.
It was a pure guide for people en route.
So I think by that logic and description, this perfectly fits the bill.
It does. It got 1 star in 2023. So if you are going from, by the way, there's Chinatown right behind. If you're going from Chinatown to somewhere this side, you stop here and eat. That is the whole logic of 1 star.
Placha 539. अगर आपको लैंडमार्क चाहिए तो पता नहीं
बता बता अब बता.
Okay, there's a big square. There's a junction in the back with a big white building. और जगह का नाम actually है, it ends with a thod. Sorry, THOD.
नॉय होंग तोड़. इससे ज्यादा कैसे हम रेफरेंसेस बताएं जो हमारी भाषा भी नहीं है.
हमारे वीडियो में हम गूगल का मैप डाल देंगे जिस कॉल में. और जगह ढूंढने के लिए अगर ट्रैवल पार्टनर चाहिए तो ट्रिपोली इज अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन.
और अभी इसके बाद we are going to eat fried chicken in another Michelin recommended place. Adios, amigo. Swadika. Now Prachi is going to tell you where are we.
Thamba. Patience. Pathum 1 in Bangkok.
Pathum or Pathun?
Pathum Mama.
Pathum 1.
पोलो फ्राइड चिकन जिससे मिशेलिन गाइड में इंक्लूड किया गया है और फेमस फॉर फ्राइड चिकन एंड राइस.
I can read polo fried chicken in Thai. Can you?
या
It's simple.
पोलो फ्राइड चिकन.
No, it's the other way.
No, it's right. I know it reads left to right. That much I know. Okay, we found it and it's not too busy right now, which is good. मतलब हमें हमारा order जल्दी जल्दी मिल रहा है.
So the polo fried chicken and the Swiggy rice are here, and the papaya salad is here. And look at the portion of the fried chicken.
Massive. This is raw papaya salad, the regular one, which comes with shrimp. Smile, you're on candid camera.
So what are you eating?
Okay, I'm showing you what I'm eating. Give me 1 second. I'm going to flip the camera. Wait for it. Fried chicken, you have to get a reaction. This is fried chicken. And this is raw papaya salad, which has Colombi on it.
Fried chicken is dry, and so is the sticky rice.
There's a little fauda here.
Not on here.
Look, it's so cute. On the rice? Okay, there's a sweet chili sauce.
It's hot.
Okay, I'm going first for the crispy chicken because it's really hot and
So am I.
deep fried crisp.
Cheers.
Let's break a leg. Wow. Oh, the meat is so tender.
It's so tender. I don't think they marinated it. It's a little salt.
There's nothing much, but I think it's fried with the skin on, which is why it has become so crispy. Can you see? And because skin has fat, it makes it yum.
The taste of the salad is on the chicken.
Wow. The sauces are fiery.
But they are the ones that are making the difference. The chicken is
Outstanding. Sauce डाला हुआ, एक rice का chunk, then bite into the chicken. And I'm super curious why they have served us this chura.
garlic.
Ooh, this is fried garlic. Oh my god, I am anticipating
A lot of things.
now that this fried garlic has been topped over the sticky rice, which is already soaking in the sauces. The crunch is next level.
And it's adding to the taste of it. It's just elevating the taste of the chicken and the rice and the sauces and everything. Was no wonder इसको Michelin star में.
अब देखा जाए तो ये काफी सिंपल है. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ये करो वो करो ऐसा करो करके नहीं बनाया. So the beauty in combining these simple ingredients shines.
No technique forward, no seaweed,
Braising, flambing.
no things coming out of a nitrogen cylinder or whatever. Perfectly cooked chicken. White from inside.
Yeah, look at that.
Dip it in the sauce. My god, we're just making a mess out of it.
Also, I must say the quality of the meat here is outstanding.
Outstanding. Oh my god.
Papaya salad also has some sprouts, some French beans, tomato.
And classically some shrimp.
Yes, which I'm trying to get. Here I go. Shrimp. ये वाला इतना तीखा नहीं है, लेकिन यम है.
Oh wow.
So we have rice, we have meat, we have salad, complete meal.
And as usual, हम आए थे fried chicken और rice के लो. But Prachi this time got greedy because she loves the papaya salad.
I do. And you know what? Now I'm going to
Yeah.
soak my rice in this papaya juice. Dunked in the sweet sauce. अब है हमारे पास
एक perfect bite.
I just want to go home and savor this memory and experience for a really long time.
प्यार हो गया।
प्यार हो गया। प्यार तो होना ही था।
प्रॉब्लम है कि चिकन के चक्कर में पापाया साले थोड़ा इग्नोर हो गया।
हाँ।
That's also very good.
Please take a detour and come here. It's totally worth it.
Because it's 2 Michelin stars. Well done.
हम हैं कोपानिच में, जहाँ पर बहुत ही लेजेंडरी मैंगो स्टिकी राइस मिलता है।
और इसको Michelin Bib Gourmand. So it's got a mention in the Michelin Bib Gourmand since 2019. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 7 years. So clearly it's a good place. Tripoli, thank you very much. So Prachi, we've just been greedy and we've ordered for 3.
3 for 2? For the 2 of us?
For Pratik and the crew.
Then I don't think we are being greedy. It's going to be gone like this.
Like this. मैंगो स्टिकी राइस के साथ आपको मूंग दाल भी देते हैं एंड इट्स कॉल्ड मूंग दाल इन थाई।
या और सर्वर उसको पीनट बोल रहा था, बट डजंट मैटर बिकॉज एक्चुअली वो मूंग दाल है। सो
एंड दिस इज टू ऐड द नेसेसरी क्रंच। मैंगो एंड द स्टिकी राइस।
दिस इज सच अ लेजेंडरी डिश एंड ये जगह बहुत ही हाईली रेटेड है, तो मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर सुपर हाई।
A Michelin Bib Gourmand means that a restaurant is serving exceptional food at a reasonable price. This is for 130 baht. So if you convert it into Indian rupees, it is about
290 rupees.
not bad at all.
Basically under 300 में this is really yummy. और यहाँ का आम 12 महीने मिलता है।
Sweet sticky rice which जो थोड़ा सा ऐसे एक पुडिंग वाला फ्लेवर दे रहा है ना, and fresh coconut cream on top.
And that moong dal is such an amazing touch.
Yes.
मतलब वो crunch बहुत ही unexpected है।
And sticky rice थोड़ा सा salted है, which is adding the fun of to the dish. So it's not overpoweringly sweet.
Neither is the mango overpoweringly sweet. It's a tangy, sweet and sour mango.
Khatta khatta. If I had to make it better, this mango sticky rice, I would use Alfonso mangoes.
I would not. I think यहाँ का जो original local mango है, ये वैसी से बनना चाहिए।
So I think Prachi, after the mussel omelette and the fried chicken, this is a very good end.
This is a bolte band end.
On that note, we will rate
We'll rate places that have already been rated.
by Michelin star.
So this rating is just what we liked.
Yeah, of course.
Time to rate the crispy oyster omelette and just the oyster, fried oyster.
Fried oysters, because I like oysters, थोड़ा acquired taste है.
Definitely.
So I would give it an 8.5.
By itself, I would give it a 6 on 10.
The crispy oyster omelette, I would give it a 10 because I just loved it. I just loved it.
I'll give it a 7.
Crispy texture है, soft oysters हैं, थोड़ा सा slimy feel है to the tongue. 10, 11, 12 maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
Amazing fried chicken cooked in its own broth and then fried with
That
the
fried
skin.
garlic chura.
Fried garlic elevates everything. The sticky rice and the sauces.
And if you choose to order this papaya salad, then
Which you
take
should.
that vinaigrette and pour it on all of this and just make it more spicy and zingy. And so yeah, I guess you get the point. It's a full marks. Rating for the mango sticky rice at Kopanik, 10 on 10.
9 on 10. Because I want Alfonso money. On that note, like, comment, share, subscribe, go to the Tripoli website, roam around the world और आते रहिए
खाते रहिए,
और पूछते रहिए
खाने में क्या है?
क्या है। अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप ऐसे मिशलिन स्टार / मिशलिन बिब गुडमान रेस्टोरेंट्स में कैसे जाओगे? कैसे जाएंगे बोला?
गाड़ी से?
वो देखो प्रमोद हंस रहा है।
देखो कोई तो हंस रहा है। कपूंगा।
Kapunas Delight, man. I was waiting for this.
I was also thinking कि ये Alcon कैसा लगता है, but this mango is genuinely very sweet.
It's very nice.
Very nice.